Hi friends, if x power x equal to 3 power x plus 9, then what is the value of x? This is another wonderful question. So the first step we are going to do is x power x equal to. Now this is 3 power x plus 9. By using my index law, I can write down that as 3 power x multiplied by 3 power 9. Now, in the next step, I'll be dividing both the sides by 3 power x and 3 power x. So on the right hand side, these 3 power x and 3 power x will cancel out. On the left hand side, I got power x and power x common. So I can write that down as x over 3 everything power x, and that is equal to 3 power 9. Now, in the next step, what I'll try to write down is, so left hand side the same, x over 3 power x equal to. Now this 3, I can write down that as 9 over 3 power 9. I did that so that I can see if I compare them, I got my 3 here, I got my 3 here. So this is x and power x, 9 and 9. So we can see my x value is coming 9. So my answer of x equal to 9. So x equal to 9 is the solution of this equation. Thank you guys.